Today we are going to solve a problem on DC generator. Take down this problem. In DC generator, 8 poles, lap wound armature rotated at 350 rpm to generate 260 volts. The useful flux per pole is 0.05 webers. If the armature has 120 slots, calculate the number of conductors per slot. So number of conductors per slot we need to find. That means what? Number of conductors. So Z is equal to number of armature slots into number of conductor per slot. So this part we need to find. So first we'll take down what are all the given things in the problem. So number of poles P is given, that is 8. Next is type of winding is given, that is lap wound armature. So if the lap wound armature A is equal to P, that is equal to 8. Okay. So total number of armature conductors A is equal to P. So next speed is given. Speed is given as 350 rpm. So generated voltage EG is given as 260 volts and useful flux per pole. Okay, useful flux per pole that is given as 0.05 webers. Next, armature slots that is given as 120 slots. Calculate the number of conductors per slots. So we need to find out the number of conductors per slots. Very simple problem. So in DC generator, you know, generated EMF each is equal to P5 Zn divided by 60A. So here they are asking about this Z. Inside that Z, number of conductors per slots we need to find out. So Z is equal to number of armature slots into number of conductor per slots. So, so here, if you take out Z here, so Z is equal to Eg into 60A divided by P5N. So just to substitute, so here Eg is 260 volts given in the problem, 60 into A. So A is number of that is a number of armature conductors. A is equal to 8. And that is next P is given as poles 8 and 5. So 5 is given as 0.05 webers. Next is N is given as 350 rpm. So from this easily we can find out Z. So Z we found out so Z is equal to number of armature slots into number of conductor per slot. So number of armature, that is Z is equal to 891.43. So number of armature slots given in the problem, that is 120. Number of armature slots 120. So we need to find out now number of conductor per slot. So number of conductor per slots is this divided by this. So 891.43 divided by 120, which given as 7.43. But number of conductors per slots it is not being decimal. So we rounded off. Okay. So that is number of conductor per slot is taken as 7. Okay. So this is the answer for this particular problem. So very simple. So first we need to write the generated EMF formula. So what is asked? So you need to remember Z is equal to, so Z is equal to number of armature slots into number of conductor slots. Okay, so that is so easily you can find out. So what is the Z you need to calculate? So from that Z easily you can find out the number of conductor slots. Very simple problem. Easily you can get 2 marks or 5 marks based on the problem.